frowny grin, and she said, "Hey, sir, you can't bring soup on a plane." And I said, "Yeah, lady, I can, because I smuggled it for the TSA." And I was like, "Sir, you need to calm down. I'm gay." And I'm like, "Yeah, I am gay. That's homophobic." So then I pulled out a gun, put it to the head of that gun, then I started like, now she's not breathing. And it's like that one song about Elton John, "Don't Stop Believing." Now everyone's saying evacuate the cane. But I also on the plane I met Sammy Zayn. Then a plane crashed into the Twin Towers. Then I also sniffed some sunflowers. Uh, uh, uh. You know, this be my crash course. 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 Crash course. Crash course. Crash course. Be honest with you, this song is just made a song because I was bored. This song is a song that everybody could play at the club, like Max Line, trying to boost world deafness. And also, I didn't actually get Pharrell on this. It was on the kid Pharrell on it because he thought it would be funny. Isn't that right, P-Man? Go work. No one go post sugar for so many fun. Oh no, you don't, Pharrell. Look for it. Still have more songs to do before the album comes out. Okay. Also, Despicable Me sucks poop. By the way, that's not really nice. Yeah, it is.